everybody. I've got a quick unboxing of the Pink and Main May 2021 card kit of the month. My box came pretty smashed up, but that shouldn't have any bearing on anything inside here, hopefully. So I'm going to pull this out and put it to the side. Always comes with this pretty tissue paper in this nice mesh bag. I love this mesh bag. I think they're so handy. I like them better than the rigid plastic because you can just store them better. Put this off to the side. Okay, let's start with the cardstock. I haven't opened these yet, so I'm going to be as surprised as you are. Ooh, we've got this pretty purple, like lavender dotted textured cardstock from, this is basil grape jelly. And then we've got a pretty basil, like teal, called Tahitian Princess. I'd like to be a Tahitian princess. And then this bright pink basil dotted textured cardstock, and this one is called Slipper. And then we have a dark blue, let's see, can I read that? I'm having a hard time reading it. Typhoon, I believe. We've got a white called Fig Swirl. Actually, it's kind of just slightly gray, called Fig Swirl. See if you could see, it's a little different than the white. Their white is called, what do they call their white? Ice Rink. The Ice Rink is white, and this gorgeous green glitter paper. So let's open the bag and see what's inside our mesh bag. Up, put the bag to the side. As always, we get a little bitty pin. Little flare pin. It's got a little butterfly. It's so pretty. So we've got some pretty sequins, and these sequins have little butterflies in pink and purple and teal and green. Matches the cardstock perfectly. Enameled dots that match the color palette. We've got a little card, which I probably should have looked at first, but I did not. The card, you can use this card as a card front, but I usually don't. I keep it just so I can look and see what came in the card kit if I ever need to. But on the back side, it tells you what came in the kit, and it gives you the color palette as well. I'll put that down. This month's kit came with a fun surprise of these wax pencils. You get 2 of them. As they wear down, you can just pull the paper off. So now I've got like 4 different embellishment wands. I think 3 of them came in card kits. So I might just do a quick review of those one of these days so we can see which one picks up the best. We have got this pretty pattern paper. Let's see, you probably see what else comes in the kit if you're peeking, which I know I would be. So we've got this pattern paper, and you get 2 pieces of double-sided, which I prefer that to 1 double-sided, because at least this way, if you like one side or both sides, you can use both sides. So you've got the butterfly and a kind of like a watercolor green, really pretty purple kind of watercolor look, a blue watercolor, a butterfly on burlap, looks like, and the opposite has this pink little kind of wavy watercolor that would make a good seascape or sunset. Real prettier diagonal stripe, and the back side is purple watercolor, little dots, striped dots. Ooh, now this one, yeah, this one you could use as the seascape because it's blue. Butterflies on a wood grain, blue wood grain. That I think I love. And the back side is burlap, as you can see. I should have showed it up to the camera better. Kind of a burlap. And you've got pink polka dots and gray stripes. We've got kind of rainbow butterflies at a diagonal with a kind of bokeh green effect in the back. We've got little bitty butterflies on this teal background with a blue bokeh effect. Green with, I guess that's almost teal then, kind of a teal green. The green polka dots. More butterflies with the purple. And oh, this is really pretty too. It kind of looks like a almost alcohol ink. And blue dots. So that's the pattern paper for the month as I mix it all up. I'll straighten it up later. You can see why my craft room gets messy because I just want it. We have got a butterfly stencil. That would be pretty for ink blending. And then the kit comes with a 6x6 embossing folder. Kind of gives you almost like sun rays. What's it called? Does it have a name? Sunray embossing folder. There we go. And lastly, our stamp and die set. The stamp set has got this great big butterfly that would fit easily a 5.5 by 4.25. That's what this piece of paper is. Background. And we've got lots of sentiments on there. Be the change you want to be in the world. Without change, there would be no butterflies. You've got this. Butterfly kisses and best wishes. I believe in you. Dream big. Spread your wings. I cannot wait to see you. Oh, I cannot wait to see you soar. That's nice. And then you get the die that cuts out this butterfly, and you get a word die that says sweet friend. So that's this month's Pink and Main card kit. Thanks for watching, and if I didn't bore you too much, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe or give me a thumbs up or anything like that. Thank you.